YouTube, what is up? It's AD with US Squads. I hope you're enjoying your day. Today I'm going to talk about the HK diopter sights in general. Particularly, we're talking about bore sighting this MR556A1 HK rifle, which is the civilian version of the HK416. But I ran into a glitch immediately because I'm not an expert on these HK sights. I've used them on an MP5 before, but considering this rifle came with the sights off the rifle, we bore sighted it, did a laser bore sight, and we found out the sights were fairly off. The windage was perfect, but the elevation was way off, so we had to make some adjustments to make this work correctly. And what happened was, first off, let's talk about these sights. These diopter sights have this little drum, and they have the yellow markings on there, and what you do is you simply rotate 1 through 4, and basically the hole actually shrinks for the distance. As the farther you go out, it gets a little smaller, similar to your sights that might be on your AR now, but basically 1 through 4, 100 to 400 meters is how that works. And to adjust the windage on the right side of the sight, you just have a Phillips screwdriver there, and that's easy. But what's confusing is how do you adjust the elevation of this sight? And how you do that is you use a proprietary tool, the HK sight adjustment tool, which is a bargain price of $130, or you can use some skinny needle nose pliers, budget price of about $9, or even probably a couple bucks at Harbor Freight. I have these so they bend in a way, and I find that to be a little easier than the straight ones. And let me show you how to adjust the elevation on this rear diopter HK sight so you can save yourselves hundreds of dollars. So I'm going to turn on this little light here, and see this little drum? Inside you're going to have basically a button in the center and an outer ring. And when you spin this sight, the outer ring that's just right outside of that round button spins with the drum. So what we're trying to do to adjust is we need to disengage the outer ring, so it doesn't spin with the drum. And how to do that is when you look inside here, you'll see, and let me see if the camera can actually pick this up, may or may not. Lighting. See these there's a little knob slit there on the ring. There are 2 slits on a ring, one on each side of the ring. What you need to do is you need to get your pliers in on those little slits on the ring. Put your pliers in there and squeeze. There's little detent pins on those rings that when you squeeze inward, it unlocks that ring, so you can spin the drum freely without the ring spinning. Thus, that's what adjusts the elevation on this rear sight. So repeat that one last time. Outside of that button is a ring that is between the drum and the center button. And when you use these pliers, you have them on the extended position, and then once you get them in, you squeeze in. You'll feel the pressure of these little detent springs release. And then as you're squeezing them in with your free hand, you rotate the drum to make that adjustment. And when you rotate the drum, the ring will not spin. Only the drum will spin. That means you've done it correctly. Okay? If you spin it now, the ring and the drum spin together. And when you detach it using the pliers, then they'll rotate separately. So that's it. I just wanted to show you guys that. Another point of interest is when you adjust that clockwise, that's going to move the point of impact down, and then counterclockwise will move the point of impact up. And I don't know what the adjustment is. They say in the manual. I don't recall, but you can read the manual of your rifle if you need to. But that's that. So this rifle is now bore sighted for 100 meters. Should be good. Should be good. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Any questions, let me know. Just wanted to throw a little quick video to help you guys out with the $9 HK sight tool for the diopter rear sight. So thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your days. Any comments or constructive feedback that you guys have, or any points of interest, let me know via comments so other people can share in the knowledge. And you guys have been great. Thanks for watching.